I am sitting in the office right now trying to get some stuff done. This morning, Jeff took Cole with him on a little drive to pick up some diapers and pull-ups. We just did like a little Target drive up, and so he took him with him so that I could get a little bit of work done. He's probably gonna be home any minute now, but I am really excited to do this video because I've been wanting to do something like this for quite a while now. I just obviously haven't done it, but I figured if I could do a video showing me like getting my to-do list done, not only will it help me to like kill two birds with one stone, but maybe it will motivate you guys to also want to tackle you know, everything that you need to do on your to-do list. So if you guys remember in the past, I've talked about my Raycon earbuds. I have a rose gold pair, but I just recently got a black pair. These are so sleek looking. They have like 6 hours of playtime on one charge, which seems to last forever to me. I don't hardly ever have to charge these because they last so long. They have seamless Bluetooth pairing. It pairs with my phone better than other earbuds in the past. It also pairs with like my car. I don't have any problems pairing this with Bluetooth, but what I wanted to say is that I love to listen to music while I'm doing stuff around the house or listen to podcasts. So this is what they look like inside of the case. They are half the price of other earbuds without any compromise. And they have a 45-day free return policy, which is wonderful, but I promise you're not gonna wanna return these earbuds. They have a huge variety of different colors and fits. And so if black isn't your thing, they have a beautiful rose gold color, they have red, they have blue, they have all different colors. They fit super easy into my ears. It has a right and a left, so you can't mess it up. You just slide them right into your ears. And then I also really like that you're able to just touch whenever you want them to turn off. So if your little one comes up to you and is trying to talk to you, or your husband or whoever, someone's trying to talk to you, you just tap that little button and it will pause, and then you can turn it back on. So if you are interested in purchasing a pair of Raycon earbuds, you can go to the link in the description box below or go to buyraycon.com/Brittani, and that will save you 15% off your order. So here's my to-do list. I need to organize the toys upstairs in Cash's room. I got some new bins that I want to put in his room, and then the Legos in the playroom or the upstairs like game room area. I need to submit invoices for work. I have donation stuff in the back of my car to drop off. I need to fold at least one load of laundry. I could like fold laundry straight all day. I have so much of it to do, but one load needs to be done. Declutter the boys' room and their closet. I'll show y'all that. It is a disaster. Put dishes away, whatever's in the sink, get that cleared out. I have a question mark by this one because I don't know if I'm gonna get to it, but I have a few items to return. I'm not sure I'm gonna get to that, but I just wanted to keep it on my to-do list just in case I had extra time. And then clean the desk area upstairs. I think there's just stuff piled up there. So anyways, that's my to-do list, and I guess we'll go ahead and get started. So these are the toy bins that I separated the other day. I went through all of these toys in here and I got rid of toys that were like broken or missing parts, or toys that the kids didn't play with anymore. And even though they're fairly organized, this thing is pretty much falling apart. Like it's leaning to one side. You can't tell because I have it propped up against the wall, but this broke off. And then I have quite a few of these containers that are broken like this. Now this thing has been great. I would definitely recommend it, but we've had ours for many years now, and so it's been through moves and lots of wear and tear. so this is Carter and Cooper's room. It is it is a disaster. I mean, I feel like just making the beds would make this room look 100% better, but let me take you to the closet. And mind you, like, my house doesn't always look like this, but you need to be reminded that it doesn't always look sparkling clean. So hello, this is my house. This is my boys' room. The L in the humble is falling off. Oh, just wait till we get to the closet. This is so embarrassing. I don't even have words for what is going on here. Mainly, I just need to do the laundry, but bless it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the laundry from in here. I'm gonna take the laundry and throw it in here and then figure out what I'm gonna do with this thing. This used to keep some of their toys in it. I don't know if I should just keep it or...
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Y'all, Legos are the worst. I mean, I love it when my boys play like quietly with Legos together, but this is just like, I had got this thing to try and like sort them by colors, but that's just a total waste of time because this is not going to last long at all, and I'm not going to do this every time. I mean, it sounds good in theory, but when you have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, they don't know how to keep them separate. Carter's very good about doing it, but the other two are not. So I'm trying to find out like, or come up with a different system for this, but I mean, these are just, all of these, there's no way to keep up with them all. So I'm just going to try and pick them up and sort them out the best that I can. I did get something like this, where this isn't too bad. So I did start color coding them, but the chances of them staying like that are very slim. But it does take up less room than this thing, which I think I'm actually going to take back. I picked it up at Home Goods, but I feel like for the price, the quality of this is not great. And the only thing I was going to do with it is put Legos in it. Now that I've changed my mind, that's one of the things on my return list. And I also need to go through all of these toys and sort those. So it's just like a never ending process. So here's what I decided to do with the Legos. This is not, I don't think this is going to be my permanent solution, but it's what's going to work for us for now. I do have a few of them color separated, like green in here, and then I think there's black on the bottom, and then these that I showed y'all earlier, and then brown at the bottom. There are some stuck on this little table that they're playing with. I'm totally fine with that. They can be kids and play, but I just don't want them all over the floor. Hi, you're being so good. You're being so good. Hi. Hi, baby. My laundry situation is so embarrassing, especially with nursing. I don't know if it's like this with anybody else, but not only are his clothes dirty because they have blowouts and milk and stuff all over them, so he's changing multiple times a day, and I'm changing especially like my night clothes, because sometimes I'm too lazy to put on like a nighttime nursing bra, and then I get milk everywhere. So then I'm changing clothes all day, and it's just a disaster. So I feel like I am never ever caught up on laundry, and it gives me so much anxiety, and I just need to learn to let that go. Almost everything on my list. I'm sitting down now to submit some invoices, and then when I'm done here, I'm going to be taking the items to drop off at the donation station and then return some items. But I feel like this was super helpful in helping me to get my to-do list done, and hopefully it was motivational for you guys as well. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to order your Raycon earbuds, and check out www.raycon.com/Brittani.